Hello. So I would like to show you how I share with you the video material for making the editing. So I have a pCloud storage. I pay a subscription for that for pCloud. So I share with you this directory video GF sync. So inside you can see the different folders. And the raw is the raw material that we film. So there is almost everything, not everything, but quite a lot. So we can clean that also if some videos are not needed anymore. But there are many videos that have never been edited, like all those videos that we can use to create material. And most of them have been used already edited and published on YouTube or on social networks. Um, I have made some folder also to organize most of them. And now for the first video that we want to test, we want to edit, it's inside the folder farms. You have to go there, farms, and then go to Thailand, and then you see here the two folder in Ratchaburi. This is the packing house, coconut, and coconut. So the two are for coconut. You start with the coconut farm, inside the farm. We start the journey here, we come to the farm, and then we go to the packing house and we see how they cut the coconut, and we have the final product ready to be shipped to Europe. So you can use those two directories to make the first videos. And then when you have made that, you can put the edited version inside here, this edited directory. So we have like here inside farms, we can put here like we have something about our farmer from Mexico. We could have one for the coconut. Yes, so that could be here inside this folder. And anyway, it should be edited, and you have some other directory. You can have a look, some downloads or something that have been downloaded, used for the editing. B-roll, we have not much here. Music, logo, so you can find the logo of the company here. Yeah, so more or less that's it. You will need raw and edited folders. I hope it works like this, and I will share with you a Trello board. I've cleaned that. I used that in the past when I worked with a freelancer. It was a few years ago. So I created one card in Trello. I will invite you where I give you some instruction and give you the link to pCloud, so we can start the first video and see how it works. Okay, so see you. Bye bye.